get him wet. Very, very. Ah, he's damp. Oh, he's funny. Leave me alone. I didn't do anything. Get off. Get off. Okay. Do-do-do. Keep on filming him. Film him until he does that slide thing. Then you can put it on YouTube. And we'll see how they like it.
Oh, that wasn't a slide, you just fell off.
He was like, wow!
Get him, Billy.
Uh-oh.
He's gonna escape.
Wait, film him walking around. And I catch him. On there. And then I catch him. Out off. Dee-dee-dee-dee. Put this as a YouTube video. Oops, I said it.
I will if you like.
Yeah, do it with sound so it's funny.
Don't let him go under the sofa.
Uh-oh.
Billy!